Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a Word document on your computer. We'll cover two main methods: adding a formal digital signature line and inserting a handwritten signature. Understanding these techniques will help you efficiently finalize your documents, ensuring authenticity and professionalism. This guide will provide clear, step-by-step instructions to make the process straightforward and easy to follow, saving you valuable time. To add a digital signature line, first open your Word document. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look for the Signature Line option, usually found within the text group. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can input details like the signer's name, title, and email address. This method provides a formal and verifiable way to indicate approval or agreement on your document. For a more personal touch, you can insert a handwritten signature. Begin by signing your name clearly on a blank piece of paper. Next, scan the signature or take a high-quality photo of it using your phone. Once you have the image file, go to the Insert tab in Word, select Pictures, and choose your signature image. You can then resize and position it perfectly within your document. Utilizing electronic signatures offers several key advantages. They significantly save time and reduce the need for printing and scanning physical documents, contributing to a more efficient workflow. Furthermore, digital signatures enhance the security and authenticity of your files. For best results, ensure your signature image has a transparent background. Always remember to save your document after adding any signature to preserve your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.